Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on ChatGPT. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on ChatGPT app. Then this page of app info. You will click on force stop and you click OK. Here you will enter the storage and then you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.